Everyone, this is the LCD screen of the iPhone 6sPlus, and now we are going to replace only the broken glass. Let's go. Yeah, now we are cutting the frame that we use the soldering for remove it, and we are careful to remove it. You can warm it with the soldering and then you take it to the side. Yeah, now we already remove the frame. Now we are working to separate the broken glass from the LCD monitor. I use the hot air. It is maybe 65 degrees Celsius, and I use the wire. It is the metal wire, and then we pull and pull with the wire to cut the broken LCD, to cut the front glass from the LCD. Sorry. We are gently to shore it. Yes. Yeah, we need to cut again because they still adhesive. Yes. Now we take it from the broken glass gently. Now we are prepared for remove the old LCD glue. Yeah, we use our finger to move it, to remove it. Some LCD very easy to remove the adhesive OCA glue, but some LCD difficult. Yes. This is the easy LCD that we can remove the OCA by our finger. First, we need to test with our finger. If it is easy, we use that method. Gently press on it, especially the end of the button. Yeah, now we are prepared for laminate to the new glass, and this is the rubber gasket we use for laminate Android LCD. This is the mold that we use to calibrate between glass and monitor LCD. It is an aluminum mold. Here we need the rubber for press on. Then now we put the LCD onto the LCD mold. Yeah, to make it very straight, same as an original. And then we try to clean it again. Yeah, I set the laminator machine. We need to clean more and more to make it very clear, because we are working nearby the road and there are a lot of dust. We pay more time to clean for LCD laminating. And this is the new front glass. We tear out the LCD cover, plastic. To protect the dust from the plastic go onto the LCD, we need to remove it away from the LCD. Yeah, now we clean again, and then we install it on the mold. Yes, it is the wrong position. Okay, that's why. Then we use our finger to push from the bottom. Yeah, and we set up like this and put on the rubber gasket. Yes. Then we press to laminate. Yeah, now we check the whole way full for our customer. This is the problem on the LCD. Yes. For the fold phone, always problem on the LCD. This is the Huawei fold. It's maybe $1,000 to buy it, and it is very easy to fail. You see. You now read the laminate, and then we take it from the laminator machine. After that, we look on the top of the LCD. Are there any bubble? Yeah, there is a big bubble. So we put it in the bubble remove machine. Yeah, this is the bubble remove machine. We are now ready. We wait until the airflow of. Yeah, now we check it. Wow, pretty, beautiful, very good.